Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we will be changing out this ceiling light right up there. It's a concealed ceiling light in a false ceiling. I've got one removed at the back there, but we're going to be changing it to one of these. This is a surface light which goes, you know, like that, up on the wall. So if you're not subscribed yet, do leave me a like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. We get straight into it. So as usual, first and foremost, you want to turn off your circuit breakers, and I know mine is this one, so I'm going to be switching it off first. Right, and now we can begin removing this light. So as always, grab a knife and you want to go around the corner and cut off the caulking. Okay, and then with a test pen, just gently pry. And the technique to this is you want to push up with your thumb and pull down on the light, like that. Okay, and if you do that slowly, you prevent cracking. Test with your pen to make sure there's no live current running through your lights, and then you remove. Take that out. Easy peasy. Okay, this light wants to come up here, but you see it's a tiny hole and there are 3 wires. So I want to very carefully put the wires in one by one. See, I'm using these wire caps to keep the wires separate because even though I've turned off the circuit breaker, if any of these were to touch, you would end up, tripping the entire house. So you want to avoid that. Get some of these. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Right, so that's done. Now I need to measure out center and then attach it up there. Right, I have all my lines marked out, my holes marked out, and I'm going to be mounting these. Now we need a plug to go into the false ceiling, and you might be tempted to use one of these red wall plugs or the green ones that you get. Please don't. Your light will just fall off the ceiling. Now I would recommend these ones right there. These are for drywall, so these will screw up, and you can see it's a really thick screw thread, and that gives it grip so that your fixtures won't start coming off the ceiling. Really easy to install. There is a Phillips head right there. Goes with a Phillips screwdriver. Put it in, and it kind of bores itself into the drywall. So just go like that. Put it with the pressure, turn it in, and there you go. That's one. There we go. Then you just screw it in, like so. And once the light is installed, you can put in the diffuser. Okay, that's how you change a concealed light to a surface light. Really simple. You give it a shot if you just want to change up the lights in your house. Yeah, if you like that tip, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.